Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, y'all, I was super excited to get this next scent from Bath & Body Works just dropped for fall back in my collection because it's been a hot minute since I've had her, y'all, for real. What scent am I talking about, you guys? It's Sunrise Woods. Yep, Sunrise Woods. I just got her in that big $5.95 body care sale that they just had, and I was itching to finally sit down and do this video because your girl's got some thoughts. Oh, do I have some thoughts? So we're going to talk about her, but we're also going to be doing a little bit of comparisons because I know that's what you came for, baby. I know that is. All right, Sunrise Woods. This has been out numerous times in the past. Scent notes are creamy sandalwood, sweet berries, and cozy cashmere. Y'all, I don't know why, but I swear to God, I feel like this scent is different somewhat from what I remember it being in the past. Because in the past, I thought it was like an okay scent, but nothing about it really like called to me or really spoke to my inner fragrance hoe. Right? And this year it does. Oh, it does. I get a lot of cashmere in this year's version. It smells very creamy. The sandalwood is way in the background. The berries, in my opinion, are in the background. That up front center note that you immediately get is the cashmere note. Kind of like very warm and inviting, cozy, snuggle up for fall. It's a little bit woodsy, but not really. I would not label this a fruity scent. I would not label it a woody scent. I would label it somewhere kind of in the middle, where it's like a warm and comforting type of a scent with those cashmere notes. It's freaking gorgeous. The longevity has been, I want to say I got about 3 hours worth of wear out of her. It's not the greatest, but it's not the worst. My God, we know we've seen some bad body sprays from Bath & Body Works. 20 minutes and they gone. Gone, baby, gone. Yeah. But now with this one, and I really like it for some reason this year, it just really is speaking to me. It's just gorgeous. It's like a perfect, warm, autumn type of a scent. We have some comparisons. Because you know, your girl scours the recesses of social media to see what other folk be saying. And one of the ones I did see that they were saying was that it smelled a lot like Cashmere Glow. Yep, Cashmere Glow. This is one that they've had out in the past at Bath & Body Works. I have not seen her in a while. This bottle is from 2021. Scent notes are golden peach, lily petals, shimmering vanilla, and cashmere musk. I will say, in comparison, when you smell these side by side, I get a hell of a lot of peach in this scent, which I don't normally pick up from this scent. You get a beautiful vanilla note in there as well. I don't pick up vanilla in here. In fact, when I smell this now, it reminds me a lot of whipped vanilla chiffon from the past. It was brought out, I think, in spring of 2020. Of course, when the world went nuts. But it does, because that scent had peach, vanilla in it, and it was a beautiful scent, and I think a lot of people slept on that scent, but smelling it right now, because I ain't smelled her in a hot minute. It's been a hot minute, baby. It definitely gives me similar vibes to it, but in comparison to Sunrise Woods, no, I do not believe these are alike at all. This is much warmer and almost even woodier in comparison. Even though I don't consider this a woody scent, when you put them side by side, this is a lot sweeter. You definitely get those peach notes in there. I don't really get lily in this, thank God. I don't think the lily and the peach would have mixed well with that cashmere. but the vanilla's heavy in here, the cashmere notes are there, and you do get a peach note in here, which I do really like. But these are not the same, honey. No, they are not the same. The next one I was hearing buzzes and rumors about was one from Victoria's Secret, and it's Santal Berry Silk. Okay, Santal Berry Silk. I want to say she came out last winter. Yes, 2023. Santal Berry Silk is frothy sandalwood, luxuriates in blackberry, espresso, and almond. Hell no! These are not alike. No, no, no. This is a gorgeous scent, but I pick up predominantly coffee notes with almond, a tiny bit of sandalwood and blackberry, but they're mostly in the background. This is predominantly coffee, like espresso coffee. There ain't no coffee in here, girl. No, no. But speaking of coffee, of course today's lip is by me, ya girl, over at Banger Beauty by Mary. You guys, this one has been selling out over and over and over again, and I've been struggling to keep up with the demand, but I'm gonna work my butt off for y'all. You know I am. I am wearing Latte Lover from the Baddies Brunch collection. Yep, she is a gorgeous neutral brown. This is kind of what she looks like after you've worn her a lot and the shades kind of mixed together. I love this one. Yeah, but it smells like, unlike any other type of like a pumpkin spice latte than you've probably smelled before. Not so far as lip gloss. Oh, no, no. It's so freaking good because it's heavier on the coffee, lighter on the pumpkin. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, this one has been flying off the shelves. You want to make sure you get over, baby, and get you one. Latte Lover from our Baddies Brunch collection. And y'all, I have a sneak peek for you. I'm just going to show you these very quickly. We are not getting in depth. That'll be for another day. However, your girl's been working hard. She's been working real hard. You know what these are, baby? These are Banger Butters that will be released this coming Monday over at Banger Beauty by Mary. And y'all, these are freaking fabulous. They are freaking fat. Look how cute that is. Yep. I'm not going to even tell you the names yet, baby, the names. But we're also getting ready to launch our scrubs. Yep. We have the matching scrubs for our Banger Butters. These are Banger Buffers, because you're going to buffer and butter it up, baby. So yes, I wanted to give you a sneak peek. Those will be out on the website as of Monday. We'll talk about them more closer to then. But yeah, make sure you head over to Banger Beauty by Mary and snatch you up some goodies. And let's get back into this video. Okay, yeah, these are completely different, y'all. No. Now, another one I saw from Victoria's Secret that really had my jaw dropping, y'all. They were comparing it to Velvet Petals. Velvet Petals. Say what? Say what now? What now? What? Scent notes are Lush Blooms, Almond Glaze, Make You Blush. The almond glaze in here is heavy, but so is the floral. There is a lot of floral in Velvet Petals. I mean, go figure. It's a beautiful scent, but Sunrise Woods? What? No, they're like night and day. This is floral and sweet. And this has sweetness to it, but it's like a creamy sweet with like a beautiful like fall hug. And this is like spring, bring me back to life. You know what I mean? They're just very different. I don't understand that comparison for the life of me. If you do, please leave me a comment down below. Now, the one I've been hearing the most, and I see it everywhere, y'all. A lot of people are saying that Sunrise Woods reminds them a lot, like almost 98% in comparison to Snowflakes and Cashmere. I have been hearing and seeing this everywhere. Everywhere. This is an older bottle, so it does not have the scent notes on it, but your girl's gonna hook you up with them scent notes, baby. Hold on. Okay, scent notes on Snowflakes and Cashmere is cashmere, vanilla, clementine, white tea, amber, and woodsy notes. I think I told you guys in one of my videos from the past that when I first discovered this scent, I remember wearing a wool jacket at the time. It was very like posh wool jacket, and spraying the hell out of that jacket and my scarf, and I would always smell it when I would put it on because I was like wearing this nonstop then. And every time I put it on, it gave me like the warmest, bougiest hug you can imagine, like what a classy woman would smell like in the winter. You definitely get beautiful cashmere notes in this and a beautiful vanilla, but the vanilla is more in the back. The cashmere is up front and center, but you also do pick up amber in here. And you do get the tiniest bit of clementine and white tea. It is in the back. It's not up front and center. However, it's there enough that I can smell it. And it's gorgeous. It gives it a tiny bit of sweetness to it. That's almost like a sparkling type of a sweetness, like a sparkling clementine. Sunrise Woods. No, when I compare these side by side, Sunrise Woods definitely comes across woodier. It also, you can actually pick up the berry in it a little bit more so when you smell these side by side. Snowflakes and Cashmere, in my opinion, is brighter. It's a brighter version in ways of this, and this is a woodier, warmer version, even though I don't classify this as a woody scent necessarily. But when you put them side by side, you can definitely pick up those differences 100%. The cashmere note that's in both, it's similar, but again, I feel like this one's brighter and sweeter in a lot of ways than Sunrise Woods. Sunrise Woods is definitely more fall, more like comforting hug in the fall with the leaves falling from the trees, whereas this is like a bright hug from a classy bougie woman in the winter. You know the type I'm talking about. She got the knee-high boots on, looking all like she's dressed to the nines. You know who I'm talking about. This is her. This is the girl wearing her Uggs in the fall. Hell yes, hell yes, hell yes. So do they have kind of similarities with the cashmere? Yes. But there is enough of a difference with these two that no, I do not think they are alike. So no. Sunrise Woods is in a league of her own. I don't think there's anything quite like it. I have heard a lot of comparisons to Twilight Woods as well. However, I have not had that in my collection in a long time, but I do have an order coming. And my online haul from the $5.95 sale, I'm still waiting for that to show up. I don't even think it's shipped yet. That's crazy. Yeah, but when it does, and I do my comparison, review and comparison on Twilight Woods, I will be comparing it to Sunrise Woods. Yeah, so Twilight Woods, Sunrise Woods, interesting. Yeah, but anyway, that's my thoughts, review, and comparison on Sunrise Woods. What did you think? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to get over to Banger Beauty, y'all, and snatch you a latte lover. Latte lover, baby. She's so freaking pretty. Look how gorgeous that gloss is, y'all. Absolutely beautiful. And be on the lookout. Oh, on the lookout, baby, because come Monday, we doing big things up in here. Big things, big things. And yeah, but anyway, we're at my favorite part of the video. Ready, y'all? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.